probably wasn't the best ending, but I wasn't disappointed in it. I liked it. But we're gonna keep going. There are apparently 15 endings total. I got one out of that, so I'm just gonna go off and get however many more I can. I'm gonna try to remember what I did last time and just make opposite decisions. And hopefully something else will happen. Well, obviously something else will happen, but something better. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Following content contains scenes that some viewers may find disturbing and not suitable for younger audiences, including graphic depictions of violence and suicide. Viewer discretion is advised. You can now skip. Ooh, I can skip that. There's that. There's lady, strikers. Still swatting at the air.
No. Come here. Get away from me. Get out!
Dad, it's me. I've got your dinner.
No.
It took a lot of effort to make this. Are you gonna have it? Or did you come here just to be a burden? Look, we don't need to talk or anything.
No, don't. Now, quickly.
Don't remember everything I did. I'm gonna have a because I remember we have an exam for interpreting. I'll just try to remember what I did last time and do the opposite.
You look perfect. How depressing.
Good evening, Cody.
I don't remember checking this last time. Alright, so far it's just that and Pierce. And it's not great. So, okay. Okay.
The God's Hand 5-room hotel, spa,
Hôtel de luxe avec 35 chambres, un spa
and scuba diving complex.
grâce à la construction d'un hôtel de luxe avec 35 chambres, un spa et des services de
Our consultation period has already begun, and we know that you will be as committed as we are to bringing this project to fruition with the minimum disruption for the natural landscape and wildlife of this beautiful
dans le
bay.
plus grand respect de la faune et la flore de cette magnifique baie.
Our preliminary planning application is before the God's Hand Island Council, and we hope that you will join us in making our proposition the best it can be for the local economy and employment prospects, so that construction can begin early next year, ready to open our doors the following year.
Et une promesse de création d'emplois pour que les travaux puissent commencer au début de l'année prochaine et que ce nouveau complexe ouvre ses portes l'année suivante.
We hope to, I will welcome you soon.
Nous sommes une compagnie tournée vers le futur et nous espérons vous servir dans un futur proche.
Right, let's have a little look then, shall we?
Well, I forgot the word for scuba diving, and
Yeah, because that's a word you hear every day.
I tried to keep up the pace, but I wasn't fast enough.
He was talking really fast. Look, there was a golden half-second there where I really thought you had it. You were getting the gist across, nice, simple, and quick. And then you went straight back to trying to get it exactly right. Speaking of which... What was that?
Nothing.
Okay, give me 15 minutes to clear some emails, then let's get this shift started.
Something wrong. Oh, okay. I didn't read it this time. I had a butterfly, so I guess we'll see.
What's the
I'm not
matter?
walking them in this
I'm just down the hall trying to be professional, and you're banging on the walls.
Oh, I'm just a crazy person, and is that it?
I'm gonna lie this time.
I don't think you're crazy. If you say they are evil spirits, then they must be there.
Liar!
I'm just worried it's getting worse.
Well, they must have heard about your fiance's development. How is Piers?
He's fine.
How are you? And the baby?
Diplomatic.
Please don't change the subject.
Fine. But you are right. They are getting stronger, and there is only so much that I can do to stop them. And, I keep falling asleep after meals, and that isn't helping. I want you to lock me in.
What?
I can't resist them for much longer, and God knows what happens when I'm asleep. I need you to lock me in. I don't want to hurt you.
No way, I'm not keeping my father locked up.
Laura Lynn,
Enough. I need to go back to work.
are you translating to French or that Lapousse language?
The fact that I speak Canard makes me very employable.
That language is dangerous, and so is that island.
Fine. You don't like Le Pouce, but could you at least just try to be normal? At least long enough for me to finish my shift.
I will do whatever I need to do to keep us all safe.
Good night, Dad. Try to get some sleep.
Yeah, sleep is the last thing I should be doing at night.
I have a treat for you.
What is it?
It's good, right?
This time I'll tell the truth. You would never put that on the baby.
Honestly?
You hate it, don't you? Fail. Oh, I've got to go. Take it easy, okay? That's our little prince in there, and I'll speak to you later. Love you.
You're in demand tonight. 2 calls. Both need someone who can speak Canard.
Perfect.
I've got a call between two businessmen. Someone called Teron wants someone to authenticate a book before he buys it. And at the same time, I've got a kid who wants to speak to his mother. I think they're estranged. He says he knows you. Max Vito?
Oh, I know Max. I'm teaching in Canard.
I guess you want Max then.
Sounds like the other one would be better for my career, no? I'll take the business call then. Please, Cody.
Okay, I'll put you on. I'll be popping in and out to monitor, as usual. Remember, you don't need to be perfect.
Bonsoir, bienvenue chez Glossalingua. Avez-vous déjà utilisé nos services?
Oui. On m'a dit que vous saviez lire le Canard.
Oui.
C'est un rare don, de ce côté du globe.
Merci. Good evening, my name is Laura Lynn. I'm an interpreter with Glossalingua. One of our account holders would like to speak with you. Are you willing to accept the call?
Yep.
Connecting you now.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Good. How was your flight?
Yes, well, ok. Voilà. J'ai bien peur qu'on ait atteint les limites de mes
And that
capacités.
is
hein.
the extent of my English, I'm afraid.
Right. Well, never mind. Good morning.
Bonjour, enfin bonsoir.
Ah, bonsoir.
Good evening.
Yeah, evening. I meant evening. Well, anyway, shall we crack on?
Eh bien, commençons.
I received your
J'ai
email.
bien reçu
Just wanted
votre
to
email.
know
J'aimerais
how
savoir
you
comment
became
vous êtes
aware that I
appris que
had
j'avais
this
ce livre.
title.
Mais en effet, je l'ai bien.
It's a very valuable and
C'est un bien
treasured
très
possession,
précieux et d'une grande valeur
but
sentimentale.
I may be
Je
persuaded
pourrais
to part
accepter de m'en
with it.
séparer,
Give me my price.
I guess this is the book
mais seulement au juste prix.
they're talking about.
Je comprends bien. Mais avant tout, je
I understand,
me demandais si je
but
pourrais
before
le
we
voir.
continue too far, I wonder, may I see it?
Anyone would think you don't trust me.
On pourrait croire que vous ne me faites pas confiance.
Ce n'est pas du tout ça.
Not at all.
There we are.
Magnifique.
It's beautiful.
It's expensive.
Il coûte cher,
Évidemment.
of course.
J'aimerais savoir, Monsieur Vito, si vous seriez prêt à me
I would be
raconter
curious, Mr.
l'histoire
Vito,
de
if you would
comment
oblige
vous
me with the
avez
story of
initié
how you happened to come by this book.
Hey?
Hein?
Je vous demande pardon.
I beg your pardon?
What's he say?
Qu'est-ce qu'il dit?
Qu'est-ce que j'ai dit? Mais j'ai dit que je serais
Oh,
curieux de connaître l'histoire de comment
I said
vous avez
I
initié
would
ce
love
livre.
to learn the story
Of
of...
the story. But there's this French missionary, 18th century or
Alors, au
whatever,
18e siècle ou quelque chose
he
comme
sent
ça, un
out to God's Hand
missionnaire
Island
français a été envoyé aux îles de
to
God's Hand
convert the
pour
locals to
convertir la
Christianity.
population locale.
3 years later, he
Plus
returns
tard,
to
il
France
retourna en
preaching
France,
about
il
how they
commença à
know more
raconter
about
que
hell
les
than he
habitants
ever
de l'île
did,
en savaient plus
and that
sur
evil
l'enfer que
spirits would
lui-même,
follow him.
et qu'il était poursuivi par de mauvais esprits.
Excusez-moi, mademoiselle, notre interprète Laura Lynn, puis-je vous demander ce qui pose problème? Je ne me fais pas assez bien comprendre.
Oh non, je suis vraiment désolée. J'essaye de rester, en fait, j'essaye de rester très précise dans mon interprétation, mais je crois que cela embrouille Monsieur Vito.
Ah, vous êtes trop précise. C'est bien ça le problème. Bah, c'est plutôt moi qui ne suis pas assez clair, non?
Oh, non, ce n'est vraiment pas à moi d'en juger. Pardon.
Ne vous inquiétez pas, je n'ai l'habitude. Un de mes collègues me le dit tout le temps. Alors, bon, je vais essayer de rester concis. Et vous, restez précise. J'apprécie la précision. S'il vous plaît, pouvez-vous me dire
Please,
d'où vient
will you
ce
tell me where this book came from?
Maybe later.
peut-être plus tard.
D'accord.
Ok.
Est-ce que je pourrais voir le colophon? Thank you.
Excusez-moi, Monsieur Théron, Lauraline ici. Est-ce que vous voulez bien répéter? Vous avez dit colophon. Je vais être sûre de ne pas me tromper.
C'est un terme technique. C'est la même chose en anglais.
Ah,
Monsieur Vito saura ce que je veux dire.
d'accord. Merci. Mais ici de colophon.
Colophon.
Oh no.
What's that? What's a colophon?
Monsieur Théron seemed to think you would know what it meant.
Ask the internet.
What?
Hurry up.
Containing the publisher's mark and copyright and printing information, typically at the front of the book.
Thank you. There you are.
Le voilà.
Superbe.
Excellent.
Je voulais juste vous dire, Lauraline, que j'apprécie beaucoup vos efforts.
Yourself. You have a computer right there?
J'accorde vraiment beaucoup d'importance à la précision.
What's he saying?
Oh, it's hard to hear. I don't think he's expecting me to interpret.
Est-ce que je pourrais voir une page de texte?
May
Une
I
page
see
avec
a
du
page
canard.
full of text, something with canard?
Yeah. There we are.
Lisez juste en canard, s'il vous plaît.
No.
Je n'ai pas besoin de traduction.
Kianem opum palusi, leva muva juko, tolo yuti deju rembula, itg, itg, itg.
I don't think this is going to end well.
Was that what you were hoping for?
Est-ce que c'est ce que vous cherchez?
Oui, tout à fait.
Yes, it was.
Merci. C'était parfait. Bon, j'ai besoin de réfléchir un peu. Ne vous inquiétez pas.
I
Je
need
vous
to
assure
think
que
about
je
this.
veux acheter le
Have no fear.
livre, mais
I am now very
je
serious
ne-
about buying this book, but I have
Rendez-vous
another
à
appointment
l'instant.
now.
Est-ce que je peux vous
Can
rappeler
I
dans une heure?
call you in an hour?
Oh, it's a little late over here.
C'est-à-dire qu'il est déjà assez tard ici.
Je peux faire en sorte que cela vaille
I
vraiment
can
la
make
peine.
it very worth your while.
Okay.
D'accord.
1 hour.
1 heure.
I'm not staying up any
Je
later.
n'attendrai pas plus longtemps.
Très bien, merci.
Of course. Thank
Tout
you.
à l'heure.
Until then.
Alors, ça fait longtemps que vous êtes traductrice.
Interprète. Je ne suis pas vraiment traductrice.
Je vois. Eh bien, dites-moi si vous avez des problèmes. Le canard est une langue sacrée qui a été inventée pour communiquer avec les esprits. Ça peut créer des problèmes chez certaines personnes.
Ça va aller. Merci. Dad? Oh non. Papa? Monsieur Théron,
Je m'excuse, mais je n'ai pas beaucoup de temps à vous consacrer. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
comme vous le savez, le canard est une langue sacrée utilisée autrefois uniquement pour s'adresser aux esprits. Eh bien, je crois que j'ai dérangé de vieux esprits tout à l'heure.
Ça, c'est très curieux.
Mon père ne va pas bien. Et après notre appel, une chose étrange s'est produite. Une ombre est apparue et il s'est mis à marcher comme s'il était sous l'emprise de quelque chose.
Et vous pensez que c'est à cause du passage que vous avez lu en canard?
Bien sûr, je vois pas d'autre explication.
Je suis pas sûr. C'est vrai qu'on entend des histoires étranges de personnes qui auraient eu des comportements anormaux après avoir entendu parler de canard, mais je n'y ai jamais trop cru.
Quel genre d'histoire?
Pas quelques histoires locales, au pouce. Et puis il y en a une qui a fait plus de bruit parce qu'elle touchait des étrangers.
Quelles histoires locales?
Les absurdités habituelles. Ne jamais couper le bois de la mangrove, ou sinon les esprits viendront vous hanter. Comme vous le savez, le papier du livre en question vient lui-même du bois de la mangrove, alors dur de croire ce genre de bêtises. Écoutez, je suis désolé, mais je vais devoir...
Attendez, s'il vous plaît, vous voulez bien m'aider?
Les légendes de la région disent que les esprits ne peuvent pas se manifester sans la présence de la mangrove.
Et alors?
Le livre de M. Vito est à Londres. J'imagine que vous aussi?
Oui, mais c'est mon père qui le hante.
Écoutez, je ne suis pas en train de vous dire que je comprends ce qui se passe. Mais si l'on en croit les légendes, une solution pourrait être de détruire ce livre. Ce qui veut dire qu'idéalement, vous voulez que j'achète un livre pour que vous puissiez y mettre le feu. Ça, ce n'est pas quelque chose que j'ai particulièrement envie de faire.
Vous vous sauveriez vous aussi. Imaginez ce qu'il aurait pu arriver si vous aviez acheté ce livre et si vous l'aviez lu.
C'est vrai. Bon, c'est d'accord. On doit le détruire. Mais je ne peux pas vous promettre des ressources inépuisables. Si le livre est trop cher, nous serons tous les deux coincés. Bon, il faut que je me prépare avant de parler à Vito. Je vous rappelle dans quelques minutes.
Oui.
Ok.
Merci.
That was really fast.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yes. Good evening.
J'aimerais commencer, si vous me permettez. par
I'd
vous
like to
rappeler
start,
votre
if I
promesse.
may, by reminding you of your promise.
Oh.
Oh,
Bon, je suis conscient du fait que. il y a une
now
petite
I'm aware that
chance, sans
maybe
vouloir
there
vous
is
offenser,
just the smallest of possibilities.
je peux pas
I don't want
m'empêcher
to
de
offend
penser
you,
que
but
ce livre a peut-être
it
pris un
struck me
chemin un
that
peu
perhaps that
détourné
book took a somewhat
d'arriver entre vos mains.
circuitous route into your possession.
You what?
Ce qui veut dire que si vous n'avez pas la paperasse nécessaire à la vente
That
de
is
ce
to
livre,
say, if you lack the full
conviendrait que
paperwork
cela
for
se
this
ressente
item,
dans le
it
prix.
should be reflected in the price. Lauraline here. Monsieur Théron wants to know if the book is stolen.
You can tell him that it's not stolen, and I resent the
Ce livre
implication.
n'a pas été volé et je n'apprécie pas vos sous-entendus.
Je ne voulais pas vous offenser.
Oh, I didn't mean to offend.
Really?
En revanche, intéressant de constater que vous ayez immédiatement pensé que je vous accusais de vol.
Anything else? I was
Bon,
under the
vous avez
impression that we
d'autres
had a deal,
questions?
that you
Vous
were
aviez dit que
satisfied.
vous étiez prêt à acheter. Je pensais que ça voulait dire que vous étiez satisfait.
Presque. Vous voudrez bien me montrer les
Very
conditions
nearly.
du livre.
Would you mind showing me what condition the book is in?
La caméra.
Just hold it up to the camera.
J'aimerais surtout voir la tranche.
Monsieur Théron is asking to see. Got it. The forage.
What's that?
The edges of the pages of a book when pushed together to form a surface.
Parfait.
Excellent.
Pourriez-vous
Could you
feuilleter
fan
quelques pages, s'il vous plaît,
some pages out for me?
pour me faire plaisir?
Humor me.
See something. It's like a little. What is that?
Laissez-les retomber tout doucement.
Ease them back gently.
What the fuck?
Ça va?
Yes, ça va, I'm fine. Where were we?
Indiquez votre prix, Monsieur Vito.
Name your price, Monsieur Vito.
My price is 5 million Lepus francs.
Mon prix est 5 millions de francs le pouce.
Je pense qu'on peut trouver un accord.
I think we can make a deal.
Excellent.
Mais peut-être pas celui que vous
But
croyez.
perhaps not in the way you think.
Je sais d'où vient ce livre. Il y a une famille.
I know where
Dubois.
this book comes from. There's a Dubois family on the pouce with a very peculiar family crest.
Ils ont perdu leur exemplaire de ce livre il y a quelques années. dans
They
des
lost their
circonstances
copy a few years ago
mystérieuses.
under unusual circumstances.
What do you want?
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez?
Je vous propose 200 000 francs.
Counter offer 200,000 francs.
No way.
Hors de question.
Ça serait dommage.
It would be a shame, Mr. Vito, would it not, if the Dubois were to suddenly find out about the whereabouts of their precious heirloom?
She'd never sell.
Elle ne le vendrait jamais.
Pas ça, je sais.
Oh, I know.
D'où mon offre plus que
Hence my
généreuse.
very generous offer.
You are aware that you're blackmailing me in front of
Réalisez
a
que vous me
witness.
faites du chantage devant un témoin.
Je ne vous ai accusé de rien.
I have accused you of nothing.
Alors, est-ce que vous êtes d'accord?
So, do we have a deal or do we not?
Deal.
C'est d'accord.
J'ai besoin que vous me l'envoyiez par coursier ce soir. Je peux vous.
I
envoyer
need
les
it couriered
détails par
tonight.
mail.
We can email the details.
Money first.
L'argent d'abord.
Bien sûr.
Absolutely.
Bonne nuit, Monsieur Vito.
Good night, Mr. Vito.
It's morning.
C'est le matin ici.
Good morning.
Twat.
Well, back on the scene. You know, you heard the call earlier when I was speaking to Nod. Is anything weird happening? Are you okay? Oh. Oh no.
Okay. Right. Okay, the book is on its way.
Check them. A minute. Where is he?
Emergency services operator, which service do you require?
Police, please. Allô? Allô? Okay.
Okay, Lucy.
What? Can you repeat? Perrier. Perrier Kawa. You help us. Me? I'm not helping you.
We are two.
You pulled us.
Police.
You are our vessel. No, I am not your vessel. Yachtevit Niv. Bulaoi Pilamenhenko. Protect the great trees, stop the human destroyers. Pierce, you want me to stop Pierce and the development? You will help us. Or we will end those loved by you. Encore des jours, un goyotti des jours. Non!
Enhanka Yuti Ju Rak Kojaro Yuti Jihan Opumya.
Encore des jours. Un goyotti des jours.
Fair Givo Severeniv.
Hi, Laura Lynn. Sorry, I know I promised that we would do another practice session this evening. I'm having a bit of a weird one. Probably these night shifts. I swear I can hear someone speaking Kana.
Got it!
Laura Lynn? What is it? What's going on?
I'm so good for I don't like it. Sorry.
I need you to keep our family safe.
Okay. Of course. But what's wrong? Everything okay?
No, you'll trip again.
I'll tell you, but I need you to believe me.
Okay. I'll believe you. What's up?
That monsters are real.
Oh, not if. Come on. The Lepus curse? Again? You know better than that.
You said you'd believe me.
It sounds to me like the apple's fallen a little closer to the tree than we would have hoped.
Oh my God. Just tell him he's dead. Full truth. Full truth, baby.
They've killed Dad. And they're holding me and the baby hostage. Pierce,
Who cares about the
you
baby?
need to give in on this. Just stop the project. You're the only one who can. Pierce, please.
All right. If you're bullshitting me,
So I hate you.
no. I'll talk to the CEO first thing tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. It has to be now.
Look, this is my career, Laura Lynn.
This is our life.
Okay, look, I promise to believe you, and I do. But this is just... You can't control everyone and everything around you, Laura Lynn. And you can't just throw away something because it's not perfect. Maybe a life on Lepus isn't exactly how you had imagined. It's a darn sight better than what we have now.
Her dad is dead. What the fuck?
Okay, fine. I'll do it.
Thank you.
I mean, you're pregnant. What choice do I have? This is it, though. From here on out, we're doing things my way.
Want to marry him? that again. Alright, got 2 out of 15 endings. Seen 86 scenes out of 223. Made 94 decisions. Burnt the book. Next. Okay. Yeah, let's try that again.
I've got your dinner.
No.
You said curry was your favorite. Since you're staying with us for a bit, I want you to be happy. Look, we don't need to talk or anything.
No, don't. Now, quickly.
Thanks.
Et des services de plongée avec masque et scaphandre.
Our consultation period has already begun, and we know that you will be as committed as we are to bringing this project to fruition with the minimum disruption to the natural landscape and wildlife of this beautiful
De la
bay.
faune et la flore de cette magnifique baie.
Our preliminary planning application is before the God's Hand Island Council, and we hope that you will join us in making our proposition the best it can be for the local economy and employment prospects, so that construction can begin early next year, ready to open our doors the following year.
Et une promesse de création d'emplois pour que les travaux puissent commencer au début de l'année prochaine. Et que ce nouveau complexe ouvre ses portes l'année suivante.
We hope to, I will welcome you soon.
Le chef de projet joue sur le nom de la crique Iwawel et le mot anglais welcome qui signifie bienvenue pour souligner son désir de vous souhaiter la bienvenue très bientôt au sein de l'hôtel. There is no curse.
So, I'm just a crazy person, and is that it?
Yep.
I think your evil spirits would go away if you listened to your doctor. You're not well, Dad.
At least that's honest.
I'm just worried it's getting worse. Fine.
How are you? And the baby?
Drunk.
Please don't change the subject.
Fine. But you are right. They are getting stronger, and there is only so much that I can do to stop them. I want you to lock me in.
What?
I can't resist them for much longer, and God knows what happens when I'm asleep.
Yeah, we're
I
locking
need you to lock me in. I don't want to hurt you.
Fine. I'll lock you in.
Good. I just hope it's enough.
I need to go back to work.
Are you translating to French or that Lapousse language?
The fact that I speak Canard makes me very employable.
No. That language is dangerous, and so is that island.
I need this job, okay? For me.
It's good, right?
hate it, but I'm gonna lie.
Yeah, it's cute, but don't you think it's a bit early to be buying clothes?
I guess you want Max then.
Sounds like the other one would be better for my career, no?
How much wrong?
I'll take the business call then. Please, Cody.
Okay, I'll put you on.
Père.
Vous vous sauveriez vous aussi. Imaginez ce qu'il aurait pu arriver si vous aviez acheté ce livre et si vous l'aviez lu.
C'est vrai. Bon, c'est d'accord. On doit le détruire. Je peux vous...
I need it couriered tonight. We can email the details.
Money first.
L'argent d'abord.
Bien sûr.
Absolutely.
Bonne nuit, monsieur Vito.
Good night, Mr. Vito.
It's morning.
C'est le matin ici.
Good morning.
Twat.
Okay, the book is on its way.
We're not leaving.
Pierce, you want me to stop Pierce and the development?
In Hong Kong.
You help us? No, I didn't mean to call you. It was a mistake. Sevori.
The dad is safe now.
Laurelyn?
Dad,
What's happening?
don't worry. I've sorted it. Get some rest. Everything is going to be okay.
Laurelyn? What is it? What's going on?
Guilt.
But what's wrong? Everything okay?
Guilt.
You need to get some rest. No. You're being hysterical. I'll square it with Cody.
No!
I have.
Dad, we did it. It's gone.
Well done, Laureline. Well done.
Let him know. was Nightbook. I think that's going to be it for me as far as gameplay. However, I might, at some point, not anytime soon though, just try to get all the endings and just post them. But yeah, this was really fun. I really enjoyed this game. Again, this was developed by Wales Interactive. They did make the Funk Ride. Check it out. like, you can subscribe if you're up for that. But yeah, I really appreciate it. And I really appreciate it for watching. I'm still new to the whole streaming thing, so yeah, it's a learning process. Bit of a learning curve. I'll get it at some point, maybe. We'll see. All right. Have a good evening. Bye.